In this video, we'll look at what automation memory is in Albato, why you need it, and which mode to choose for your task. Automation memory decides what to do with repeated changes to the same record. For example, an order moves to the paid status, and the automation passes the data on. Later, the status changes, and then the order becomes paid again. Should the data for this order be sent a second time? That's exactly what automation memory controls. Automation memory is located in the incoming data filter window. The schedule controls how often the service is checked, for example, every 5 minutes. The incoming data filter controls the conditions, which data qualifies. Automation memory controls repeats, whether to send a familiar record again or not. Automation memory has 3 modes. The first is on every change. It's selected by default. In this mode, the record is passed on with every update. The second mode is one time. It passes a record only on the first matching event. The automation won't process any later changes to the same record. The third mode is when selected fields change. It resends a record only when the fields you selected have changed, for example, the order total or its status. Automation memory manages the reprocessing of your data. On every change is for a full history, such as analytics. One time is for a single action per record, like an email or a task. When selected fields change is for important changes, the amount, status, or stage. A detailed guide is linked in the description.